Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome wherever you are around the world. Welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell and covering all your breaking news throughout the morning, the day, and sometimes the night as well. Tonight, this morning, this afternoon, wherever you are around the world, we got some massive breaking news, and that is the fact that China has made Bitcoin illegal. And you can see here, let's get straight into it. Here is my live portfolio. This is my actual trades, my actual position. This is my real money, and it's collapsing on Bitcoin. What does that mean for Bitcoin? Doesn't mean anything for Bitcoin. If you understand Bitcoin, China can do what the hell it likes. That's entirely up to China. It doesn't affect anybody else. It does initially. Everybody will freak and people will sell and the whales will buy more. But I'm not selling a darn thing. I'm not going to be controlled by China making an amazing technology like Bitcoin illegal. Absolutely ridiculous. So it's going to affect all the markets this morning. Everything is going to be down, and as you can see, everything is down. My portfolio is down. We're seeing one almighty crash. There we go. This is an opportunity. This is, in my view, a great thing. If China want to sideline themselves, they want to put themselves out of it, great, good for them. The Bitcoin mining is all coming to the US anyway, and we are absolutely fine with that. So there we go. China, crack on. Do whatever you want to do. Try and control everything. That's entirely up to you. But it doesn't concern me, doesn't affect me. In fact, this is great. But like I also highlighted in the title of this video, Argo Blockchain is also affected by this. I'm not surprised at all. I expect Argo to drop as well. As you can see, it's down 0.9 in the opening. We've got an army of people over there on TikTok. I suggest what you do is, if you want to see all the details, is click the profile link here, and right behind the profile link is the YouTube link. Join us on YouTube, all right? You can't see my trading screens on TikTok. TikTok is just a place for people to come on and have a little go and a rant and a moan. But serious traders, if you want to make money, if you want to see what's going on, I want nothing from you at all. We're not selling you anything. I'm just sharing with you my real trades with real traders who make their living from trading. If you want to see all of that, click the profile here and come into YouTube. The link is right behind there. Okay. So we're watching all of this now. If you've just joined us on the replay, please click subscribe and ring the bell. We go live here every morning, every evening. We cover everything for you openly, honestly, and completely transparent. This is my real money. This isn't just a portfolio for the sake of it. That's my real cash, my real money in the bank, and you can see everything. Give me a thumbs up and help grow the video, and we'll be off and running. Fantastic. All right, so Bitcoin crash this morning, China making it illegal. We're going to discuss all of that, and anything you want to ask me, please feel free to come in to the show and ask me. All right, let's go over to the portfolio right now. Let's go back to the live position. Here we go. We're down 0.18 in the last hour, but we're down 1.77 on the day. Massive drops. I'm not seeing drops like this ever on my portfolio, and it's just an opportunity. As China tries to disrupt the rest of the world, well, good for them. I'm trading. I'm trading VAS. I'm writing. Bemi, I don't understand what you mean. I don't understand that comment. All right, 0.64. We're down. Amazon, Johnson is down 1.39. Tesla is down 1%. This is an opportunity for everyone to buy bargains. That's what it is. I've got $1,500 in my buying power for days like this, so I will be looking around for opportunity. Let's have a look at the other interest. We've got Argo, of course, but we're also looking at Lucid as well. That'll all be down. Everything will be down this morning. This is an opportunity for everything to improve your position. So will you do that? That's what you have to decide right now. Do you believe this is the end of Bitcoin? Do you think this is the end of everything? Absolutely not. China thinks it controls everything. Well, it doesn't control a damn thing. It doesn't control me. Bill, grab the comfy chair in the corner and watches the show. Welcome, Bill. Smash the like button. Our first trader here in the live chat. Bill, thanks for all your emails. I do read them all. Don't get a chance to reply, but I do let you know here in the show that I do get them and I do read them and I do act on them and appreciate them. I'm not sure what your account was saying to you about the fact you were down $300 or whatever it was. That's not possible. Hopefully it looks a bit different this morning. 0.76, Apple down, Coke down, everything is down, and of course there we go, Bitcoin is down 7% today. Absolutely huge. Am I concerned? Not in the slightest. It's China trying to do what China does. Hi, what's your opinion on Zoom stock? Zoom, you mean Zoom as in the online broadcast software? I wouldn't. It's the last thing in the world to invest in right now because it was a huge burst and a huge bubble, and of course people are going back to work now, so it's a different world. I don't see Zoom as interesting as it once was, so for me it's not an investment right now, most certainly not. Hi Patricia and Alicia, good morning, good morning, good morning. Breaking news this morning, big news on the markets, a lot to talk about, a lot to discuss. The crowd's now coming in. We are watching Bitcoin crash here this morning, billions of dollars being wiped out this morning across the world. And is it a bad thing? Is it a bad thing? No, it's a good thing. It's an opportunity. Get rid of China. China wants to make everything illegal. Crack on. China can make everything illegal and sideline itself and be out of the rest of the world, and that's absolutely fine. I personally couldn't care less, and whatever. Let them get on with it. They want to try and manipulate the market. So why Bitcoin related and Ethereum related stocks are falling today? Thousands of traders just like me and you are earning a second income streaming trading options. Let's have a look. Shares of crypto related stocks including Marathon Digital Holdings Incorporated, Blockchain, blah blah blah, are all trading lower Friday after China's central bank banned all crypto transactions and vowed to stop illegal crypto mining. Crack on with that. There's nothing wrong with crypto. There's nothing wrong with Bitcoin. It's a great invention. It's the future of currency and assets. And if China just want to control it because they're losing money. They don't like it. So who cares? This is great news for all cryptocurrency today. So there we go. This is an opportunity, by the way, to buy this huge dip, which I won't be buying anymore because I have a big enough portfolio. Look, it's 16% of my portfolio. It was like 20 because obviously it's dropped. But I will not be buying anymore, but I won't be selling a darn thing. I'm not losing money. I'm just going to wait for it to return. I valued BSX yesterday. Good opportunity. Analysts have it at 25 to 30% discount. Good morning, Atlas. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the drop that I was concerned about. There's Argo Blockchain dropping this morning with Bitcoin. So after the IPO yesterday, down it goes. Huge gains yesterday. We're just 20 minutes away, and I anticipate possibly picking up some Argo Blockchain when it drops below 15. That's what I was saying yesterday. I like your head. Well, thank you very much, Indy. I'm glad you like my head over there on TikTok. Remember, I say this every morning. We trade here every day. We make money. We grow our business online. We've got great traders trading live with me now, making money. 90% of the viewers on TikTok come in just to talk nonsense. A bit like China, really. FUD, have a go at my head, tell me stupid things, wasting my time. But 10% of those on TikTok want to actually make money and grow on TikTok, grow money, and they click the profile here and they find the YouTube link and come into YouTube and make money with us all. That's what we're doing. We're just sharing what we're doing here. You can't see any of that on TikTok. You have to click the profile to go to YouTube, and anyone anyone who how long does it take to brush your hair? Anyone on TikTok who's enjoying laughing at my head and my hair and all the rest of the stupid stuff you waste your time doing, if you want to share that comedy with our serious traders on YouTube, click the profile link, be brave, and come on in and share your nonsense with them and see how that goes down. I would love it. It'd be really entertaining. So come on in. Or you can just be a keyboard warrior on TikTok and keep laughing at my head. I couldn't care less. Makes me laugh. It's good for my channel though. That's what they don't understand. Right, look at this. Bitcoin is still dropping. This is my buying power sitting here waiting. You see I have margin available. I would never use it. Never ever use it. It just sits there. Lucid Group is down. We got bargains to be made this morning across the board. What are you going to buy in this morning? There is only so much money to go round. So what am I going to invest in? I like your stream, part of the 10%. You're part of the 10%. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, 90% are flipping idiots. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is one of our TikTokers who wanted to be funny and come over to YouTube. So everybody here on YouTube, please welcome Jimmy. Let's make Jimmy famous. Let's put his comment. There you go, Jimmy. Nif Naf, your comment is now on the screen on YouTube for the whole world to see. About 100,000 people a day see all my streams across YouTube, Facebook, multiple websites, Twitter, Instagram, and on TikTok. And your lovely comment is now famous. You are now famous, Jimmy. Congratulations. Thank you for being part of our show. Hey, you over there, what is it like to have no hair? There he is. He's he's trying to make himself famous on across the world right now. This is Jimmy Nifnaf. He's just come over from TikTok. If anybody else wants to join us, click the profile right here. If you want to be a serious trader, or you can be a clown like Jimmy Nifnaf if you like. Click the profile link here and you'll find the YouTube link where serious traders are making real money right now. And I just like to make him famous on YouTube. He's enjoying it and we're all enjoying laughing at him, so it's all fine. Good morning, Sam. Elton John tribute act is here this morning. Welcome, Mr. Elton. It's lovely to have you here. I'm not bothered. I'm only joking with you. Hey, mate, it's great. You carry on. We love it, and it's great. We love your engagement. Honestly, we seriously do. We're looking at Bitcoin this morning, talking about bold heads. We're talking about billions of dollars here being wiped off the market. This is my real money. As we're laughing at my head with Jimmy, this is my real money. I've just lost $586. But am I concerned? Not in the slightest. We're just watching this go down and opportunities for it to buy back in. So we've got just 15 minutes before the bell. I'm looking for opportunities. Good. I'm glad. I make a laugh, Mr. Clean. Good stuff. I'm glad you enjoy it. Jimmy, if you enjoy the content, give us a subscribe. And I'll tell you what you could do. Subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. There you go. If you give us a thumbs up, it will promote this video and more people will see your comments, because that comment I put on the video is there for the world to see. So click the like button. Let's get a viral video. That was quite a funny moment. Benjamin Thomas, what you recommend to be able to trade in the UK? Hi, good morning, Benjamin. Welcome from our studio this morning. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Here we are. We're live now from my studio. Hang on a minute. What did I do there? I just clicked the wrong thing. I'm not sharing my screen. Bear with me a second. I've gone and clicked the wrong button. This should be... hang on a minute. What's happened there? Hang on a second. I should be sharing my screen and I'm not. There we go. That's better. Apologise for that. Right. Here we are. This is what I can see of you. This is Benjamin. This is what I'm looking at when you're talking to me live from my music studio here in Texas. What do you recommend trading in the UK? I can't recommend anything. I don't use any brokerages in the UK, so I can't really say. I use Robinhood. Just do your due diligence and research. I don't know. I don't honestly know what the best platform would be for you in the UK. That's my honest answer. If you've just joined us, click the like button. We are watching this morning Bitcoin crash, and this is a great opportunity. China have just declared it's now illegal in China to have Bitcoin, trade it, use it, mine it, you name it, and this is great for the rest of the world. It's sidelines China, and they can crack on with it absolutely fine. So we're watching all the markets related to it crash this morning, which is, in my book, a great opportunity. I make money. Remember, this portfolio, due to experiences like this, has grown from 5,000 to 52,000. We're now in a drop in 5 months. And these opportunities, these big dips, are where I make my money. So I'm very happy when China try to control the world. It's good for me. It makes me money. It makes all of you money if you play it properly. Cheers. Thanks. I'm interested in trading in the UK. Who would you use? Robinhood is not available. Can I use a USA platform? You can, if you can use an address and you've got a social security number in the US. You can, because I can trade in the UK and the US, because I have both. If you have the connections in the US, of course you can, but you do need that. You do need that information to be able to do that. If you don't, then you wouldn't be able to set it up. But you'd need some security identification to be able to do that. But totally possible. So here we are watching this crash right now. All sorts going on. And we are watching breaking news. We've got just 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. When the bell goes, we are going to see quite a move. So we're looking at that right now. This is my view of you. I like to just share that from time to time. Let's go back to Google. Here it is. This is what we're looking at. If we watch it on the day, I'm down 1.8%. If we look at Bitcoin now, this is the story that's broken throughout the night. All the markets, oh, wow. Rolls-Royce up 10% this morning. What a jump this morning. Absolutely fantastic. They're not bothered what China's doing. The Great Britain, the United Kingdom, England, the most staple of all brands, Rolls-Royce, couldn't care less what China is doing. Other companies not so happy about it, but there we go, as you can see. We are going to see Argo Blockchain lose a bit of money, so I'm ready and poised to get some Argo Blockchain. But I'm not going to get it until it drops below 15, which is where it IPO'd. That is my target. That's what I'm aiming to do. Let us know in the chat. We've got some new people coming in today. Let us know where you're all from. I'd love to know. Benjamin's from the UK. Everybody introduce yourselves. We've got a few new members here this morning. So just say where you're from, either city or country. Sorry to discover the bad news. Paul, it's not bad news at all. It's not bad news. It's great news. What happens when it drops? If you want to see what I'm actually trading and how I'm actually making money from this drop, click the profile link here and you will see my YouTube link. It's right behind that link. Right? Basically the way it works is TikTok, 90% of TikTok just come on and have a joke and have a laugh. They just want to say I've got a bald head. But don't be that 90%. If you're the 10% of TikTok and you want to actually trade money, make money, watch what I'm doing with my real cash, just click the icon here and you will see the YouTube link. Come on into YouTube and you can see my trading screens and you can chat with all the traders in my chat who are making money right now. Millions of dollars all around the world is being made now in minutes with all this nonsense. So if you want to see how we're doing it, you don't have to buy anything, do anything, just watch and enjoy, be part of it. Just click this here and you'll be here in seconds. It takes 3 seconds to anyone still holding Argo UK stocks. It's now changed. All it's done, it's the same thing. It's just migrated to the NASDAQ because it's not over the counter anymore. It's proper full public trading. So that's all it is. And yes, I have Argo. I just have one share. I sold out yesterday and I'm waiting for the dip. And we got a dip this morning already. We're down 1.43. I would expect Argo Blockchain to drop quite a bit on when the bell goes in 9 minutes. If you want to see it live, you've got 9 minutes to get in. And you will see what happens. Right, we're still down. We're moving down all the time. As you can see, we're down nearly 2% today now. Lucid is down 1.34. That's a big enough position for me. Amazon is down. Opportunity to buy this morning. It's not a big enough drop for me to get in though. I'm looking at Argo Blockchain this morning. Jonathan, what's supposed to happen in 9 minutes? Market opens. Yes, right. Jonathan, welcome to the party. First of all, tell us where you're from. I'm the day trader coming to you live from my TV studio here in Texas. And this is what I see of you as it pans round. This is the screen that you're on. Paul Knight, yes, I understand your actions. How are you, Paul Knight? Lovely to have you here. And welcome. Jonathan is new. Everybody welcome Jonathan. All my regulars that are with me right now, please welcome Jonathan into the house. What part of the world are you from, Jonathan? And if you watch with us live, you will see exactly what happens in 9 minutes. All right, in fact, now just 7 minutes. Okay, so let's go back to the live trading screen. We're watching Bitcoin drop because of China. This news that broke overnight. This is the news. China made Bitcoin illegal. It's great for everybody. I'm from Belgium. Oh, I love Belgium. I drove a car around the Spa ring over there in Belgium. Love Belgium. Beautiful place. I visited it when I was in the Netherlands. And welcome. Everybody welcome. We've got Alicia Patricia from Italy. They are here this morning. Our ladies from Italy. Bill is from Canada. Everybody introduce yourselves. Let everybody know where you're from. We've got some new members here this morning. So what we're doing now, we're watching live. We're here every morning and every opening and closing bell every day, Jonathan, trading. What makes this YouTube channel unique is what you're seeing is my real money. I'm not an influencer on YouTube telling people what to do and saying buy Bitcoin and sign up for my training program. Not doing any of that stuff. I'll never sell you anything. What I'm doing here is trading my real money. That's my real cash in my Robinhood account. And if that goes to zero, you see me go bankrupt live on the show. Okay? And I'm sharing it with you and everyone in the chat, the traders, and they're doing the same thing. And we learn from each other. And I've grown this from 5,000 to 52,000 in 5 months. We've dropped back because now we're having a correction and Bitcoin is having a down day because of China, which is a great day. Great day. China just put themselves out of the market and everybody else now is going to buy cheap Bitcoin. So I love it. And I don't just trade in Bitcoin, by the way. I'm trading in about 30 different stocks, including Amazon. This is my real positions. Johnson & Johnson, Tesla. You can see all of these. Facebook, Apple, Coke. These are all my real positions. And in 5 minutes, I tell you what's going to happen. The market's going to open and I'm looking to buy Argo Blockchain. It's just rising on the pre-market. Let's see what happens when the market opens. So I'm ready to buy. I've got $1,500 on the side. Do you trade options? No, never use options. I don't believe in it because it means you're predicting the future. And you can't predict the future on a certain date unless you're God. It's impossible. So I never trade options. I make my money from doing it the old-fashioned way. Research the company. Know where the company's going. Argo Blockchain. People are buying into it. There we go. We're up this morning. I'm looking to get a bargain with Argo Blockchain. I'm not looking into buy it into buying it right now at those prices. I'm going to wait. And it may come and it may not. And if I miss out, I miss out. It doesn't matter. Everybody on TikTok, my TikTok army, 90% of TikTokers come just to laugh at my head and say silly stuff. But if you actually want to make money and trade with me and watch what everyone's doing, then it's all happening on YouTube, on my trading screens. Click the profile link right here. Only if you're one of the 10% that want to actually trade and talk business and talk money. Click the profile link right here. And right behind there, you'll see the YouTube link. And come on, hop in, just like Jonathan just did. And he came over from TikTok, and now he's watching my trading screens. Argo Blockchain, we've got 3 minutes to go. Look at it popping. I'm surprised it's going up. Very surprised by that. I expected it to drop, but we shall see what happens. I'm ready. Let me go into Argo Blockchain and get myself ready to buy. So let's buy 50 shares. Let's say 50 shares. And let's set a limit for that, actually. There we go, limit order. I want to make a limit order. So I don't want to pay more than, let's just make it, what should we make it? $14. Let's get greedy for a minute. Good for the day. Allow. Right. There we go. $14. Shares 50. Review my order. We've got just 3 minutes to go. Review order. There we go. Buy at 14. 50 shares. There we go. Expires. Yeah, that's good. Buy. Done. Okay, so now if it drops to 14, if it drops like 13.50, somewhere in that region, then I'll buy 50 shares. That's how that will work. But we shall watch that. We've got just 2 minutes to go now. Let's have a look at what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin is still falling. So there's a lot of excitement with Argo Blockchain. People are buying into it, and but I'm not going to buy into it at this precise moment. Rolls-Royce is up 10% today. Absolutely fantastic. Are you holding this long term? Sky, welcome. Holding what long term? What am I holding long term? What's the question? There we go. Things moving up now because people do not care about what China are doing. They're only damaging themselves, and good for them, because when China do stuff like that, it benefits everybody else. Argo. No. Argo Blockchain. No. It's I'm not holding it long term at all. I do everything. I do day trade, swing trade, and long term investing. A lot of my investments are long term. Lucid now moving up. There we go. Look at this. We've got 1 minute to go. Let's get ready for the bell. Argo, if you wouldn't mind, we're brand new channel, only going 8 weeks, and we're now at 1,500 subscribers just from in 8 weeks. And give us a thumbs up, and we go live here every morning and every evening. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio where I sing live concerts every day with guests from all around the world. But right now we're trading live, and as we do every morning. Okay, here we go. Just 30 seconds to go. Let me watch Argo. Argo is moving up. Atlas, why don't you just use index funds if you're going to invest long term? Because I can make more money. The average index is 10% a year. My portfolio has grown from 5,000 to 52 in 5 months. So what's the percentage on that? A lot more than 10. So no, I expect my portfolio to be 200,000 by the end of next year, and I'm only using cash profits now. All my money's back in the bank, and this is all great. Okay, here we go. It's 8:30. The bell's gone. The open now is happening. Let's see where Argo Blockchain goes. I've got it set to buy. If it drops to 14, it might, of course, go the other way, but no one knows. But I wouldn't be betting on it going up. In fact, I don't bet at all. I invest. I like what Argo Blockchain is doing, But Argo Blockchain is at this price is better for itself than it is for me. There we go, dropping just like I thought it would. Argo Blockchain is a good business for them because they're mining Bitcoin, they're making money. Is it a good investment? Would Shark Tank, would Dragon's Den invest in a company that does nothing that anyone else could do? That's the first thing. Anyone could mine Bitcoin. Just buy the machines and set yourself up. Also, can it make money long term when all the Bitcoin has been mined? There are other things it could do. Yes, but for me to invest, and how I invest is I don't want to buy an IPO pop, and I don't want to overpay. So for me, I'm looking for the price to drop. It's simple as that. And there it goes. There it goes. I warned everybody yesterday. Now jump in and buy a cheap stock. You've added 7,400 a month. You have returned 5.2% so far. What do you mean? You've returned 5% so far. What do you mean? All my you're talking about what my balance is right now. I took all the money. All the money has been taken out. Has been taken out of my portfolio, and I restarted it. So I've not made 5%. I'm just watching this. Sorry, I'm concentrating on this one now. Waiting to see how low this goes. Your all-time charts show your percent. Yes, they do, but I restarted the portfolio. I understand what you're saying. Okay, here we go. I'll share with you my full portfolio in a minute, Atlas. Very happy to do that. There we go. Watching Argo. We're also watching Bitcoin. There we go. Now Bitcoin's improved because all the whales have just bought in. Oh, there you go. People that don't understand it have sold out. How long will you hold Argo? I don't know. I like to follow the news and constantly read it and constantly look at it. I've only got one stock in it right now because I sold my position yesterday. This is my pre-IPO just to give me a marker so I understand it. It's down 3.5% right now. Let's see where it goes. Remember, it's always about. It's why I trade from my music studio, right? I'll show you. There's my music studio right now. This is where I am. Hello. And basically, I trade from here and keep calm. Don't get stressed every day. And at the end of the day, I never trade on emotion. If I miss out and Argo goes up and suddenly it goes to 100 now, I don't lose any money. My money is going to be invested in something else. It doesn't matter. I've sold all of my other blockchain stocks. Have you, Luke? Oh, welcome. Luke's a new member. Hello, Luke. How are you? Give us a thumbs up and help us grow here on YouTube. We're trying to be a different sort of channel. What we do here is I share my real trades, my real money, not influencing anything. Don't want to sell you anything. And unlike the big like BitBoy and George and all the other great big wonderful YouTubers who are very successful, they tell you what they're buying, but they never actually show you that actual bank account, that actual portfolio, that actual money. Well, that's exactly what I do. This is my actual position. This is my real portfolio. There we go. Bitcoin's recovering now. There we go. So that's what we do. And what we do as well is everybody in the chat are traders like me, and we support each other. We learn from each other. I learn more from you than you do from me. I mean, I've grown everything here and done everything here from you. I mean, I bought into Lucid from John Brunette, who came on the show, who introduced me to Lucid Group. And I'm very excited about that one. Argo Blockchain, I learned through traders here. We're all here to support each other and learn from each other. So Oh, we've got 17 likes now. Fantastic. We're growing well. If you're over there on TikTok, got an army of TikTokers now. I got 90% of them talk about my head and tell me I'm an idiot and stuff like that. And that's great. I love it because it just blows my channel up. And the other 10%, you click the profile link and come into YouTube. Right behind the profile link on TikTok is a YouTube link. Come over into YouTube and you'll see my trading screens and you can be part of what we're doing here. All right. Right, there we go. Look at Argo. Is it still going to go down? I don't know. What do you think? Don't give any of your cash to this bloke. He will con you. There we go. See, idiots over there on TikTok. No one's giving me any money. I don't want any money from anyone. No one can give me any money. Come on, he's on TikTok, for God's sake. Hey, I am on TikTok, but right now I'm on 20 platforms. YouTube, Facebook, multiple websites, Instagram, Twitter. I'm everywhere. TikTok is where I find you, and people like you talk nonsense, which blows up my TikTok channel. And then the good people, the 10% of the viewers on TikTok, find me and come into YouTube. So that's why I'm on TikTok. So thank you very much for your silly comment. It helped blow up my channel. Carry on. What trading platform do you recommend in the UK? I don't recommend a platform in the UK because I don't know. I use Robinhood here in the US. I used to use Barclays Bank, and I never made any money because every time I traded, they charged me £5. So I was always losing money with Barclays Bank. Robinhood doesn't charge me anything. I love it. I love the way it works. I believe it's totally the future way to trade, and so I don't honestly know. I couldn't recommend anything in the UK. I'm sorry. eToro. I know a lot of people in the UK. Thank you very much. A lot of people in the UK do use eToro. Do your own research. Don't follow me. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet, the world piano man. Do live concerts every day from my studio, and all the money I've saved in my life is here. I'm investing it for my pension because I want to retire in 10 years' time. I'll always work, but I want to be able to live without having to worry about it. So I started by paying off my mortgage, my car loan. I have no loans, no debts, no credit cards. And now I'm investing. That's what I'm doing. So we're watching it right now. Let's keep our eye on Argo. Let's look at Bitcoin. The huge recovery. So many of the whales bought in this morning. This is absolutely wonderful. I knew this was going to happen. More and more. Did you look at the blockchain? Did you see who sold and bought all the coin a few days ago when we had that big crash? 90% of all the crypto that was sold, Bitcoin that was sold over that crash, was people who just created wallets within a week. 90%. And that tells you everything you need to know, because it's people who don't understand what it is, who buy into it, who then sell out of it when it drops, and then the whales come in and buy more. There you go. Sky how do you pronounce that? McInally? I hope I've got that right. I do apologise if I got that right. McInally. McInally. That's right, isn't it? But I would recommend eToro. There we go. Luke's recommending eToro. I don't know because I've never used it. So I couldn't say. Shaking out all the weak hands. Yep. Well, there we go. Argo Blockchain it has recovered. It didn't seem to be bothered by that. It dropped a bit, but not much. That would say it's got some strength. Let me have a look at the... let's go over to the app on Robinhood, and let's have a look at the volume, because there was very low volume yesterday in Argo. It's why I wasn't really interested in it. There we go. And very, very low volume again this morning. Let's have a look. I'll show you. Look, this is how it looks on my app. Argo is 1 million volume. Very, very low. Very, very low volume at the moment. Institutions, big investors aren't investing in it right now. No doubt about it. It's a lot of excitement around it at the moment. I love what it's doing, but it's not the right time for me at the moment. Theta, question mark. Come into YouTube and introduce yourself. Just click the profile link just here, and you'll find YouTube right behind there if you want a serious conversation on it. Come into YouTube and we'll have a conversation with you. Virgin Galactic is down 1.82% today. Walmart is having a great day up. This is all my real positions, folks. This isn't just... this is my actual positions. Down 0.39. Down 0.1. Up 0.5. Up 0.24. Coke. Do you stream all day? Well, what I do, Sky, I'll tell you exactly what I do. I go live every morning for the opening bell, and then I do the closing bell. Normally, it's about an hour show. Yesterday, we did 5 hours because it was the IPO for Argo. And then what I do at 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, for you, it's 10 p.m. in the UK, I do a live concert when I have musicians and people from all over, the artists from all over the world, watch me do my live concerts from my studio. And I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. And then I do an hour concert in the evening. And then if breaking news happens throughout the day, then I pop on. That's basically what I do. So this is my small channel. This is my new channel. I only just started this channel. Argo doing very well, up 4% today. There we go. It's doing well. Let's have a look at it over the week now. Let me show you where you are right now. You're on the Day Trader, right? This is my YouTube channel right now. If you scroll down, there's my Martyn Lucas channel, and if you click on that, I don't know if you like music at all, but every day after we finish trading, you scroll down here to the upcoming live streams, and you will see in your time zone, the drive home shows. It's when we grab a few beers and we celebrate the day. We commiserate our losses if we've lost money, and that's what we do. And that's every weekday. Hello, I am new to your channel and I like it. Lelda Vaza. Lelda Vaza. Where are you from? What country are you from in the world? Welcome, welcome. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for being part of it. Click the thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. We're trying to get a record today. We got 50 likes yesterday, and that was an all-time record for our channel. It was absolutely fantastic. And one thing I do when we're just waiting for some action, because we're waiting for some action right now. Bitcoin is increasing. Argo, I'm still not looking to buy it just yet. Still watching it. Still learning from it. The UK, Midlands. I'm from Evesham. I was born in Evesham, grew up in Cornwall, and now live in Texas. Work that out, right? Anyway, this is what I'm seeing on my app. There's the volume, 1.2 volume. Very slow this morning. It's a lot of very enthusiastic Bitcoin traders at the moment. Not many institutions, I wouldn't say. So I'm waiting for an entry point, and it isn't yet. It isn't yet. Welcome to the channel. Consider subscribing. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. And if anybody, as we're a bit quiet right now, can we see your portfolio? Yes, you can. This is my actual Robinhood portfolio. This is my actual money live every day with you. My buying power is 37,000. There it is on the screen. I don't use margin. Don't believe in it. Invest on your profits. Don't invest money you don't have. That's my opinion. But, you know, not everybody agrees with that. This is my portfolio. Are you ready? I'll share it with everyone. And as I'm doing this, because we're waiting for some breaking news to come in to affect the market, if anyone is interested, from time to time, if anyone says, sing us a song, I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio where I am right now. There you go. And if anyone says, give me a song, I go to the piano for 30 seconds, it calms me down, and then I trade. If anyone wants to hear, I don't know, Rocket Man, Billy Joel, Elton John, like 30 seconds of it, just say, we want to hear a song in the chat and I'll do 30 seconds for you, live from my piano. Right, this is my portfolio. This is for Sky, Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, Facebook, Apple, Coca-Cola, Tesla, Disney, VTI, Google, Microsoft, McDonald's, Walmart, Virgin Galactic, Ford. Now we're outside my top 10. Now we're going into more stocks that I will trade more often. Rolls-Royce, looking at a big 10x bounce there within a year. MasterCard, PayPal, United Airlines, Builder, Tesco's. Good old Tesco's in the UK. Yeah, you can get it in the US. Lithium, of course, for all the batteries. Boeing, Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett, my worst investment ever, by the way. 30 seconds of Stairway to Heaven. I can do you 30 seconds of Eric Clapton, Tears in Heaven. How about that? ARK Invest, of course, we're investing in the technology, space, future internets. Then we've got all my, some of my ETFs, of course. And then I've got my PBW. This is for investing in solar, wind, all that stuff. Then I move to dividend stocks. So then I get some income coming in. Then we got Robinhood, of course. You've got to invest in the app. If you love the app you use, you've got to invest in it, right? I mean, why would you not invest in the app you use, right? Make no sense, right? I've currently sold all my shares, though, by the way. I'm waiting to buy back in again. Lucid, Harpoon Therapeutics. That's my 1% lottery ticket. Ridiculous. I put a tiny little bit in there just to see what happens for a bit of fun. Carnival Cruise Lines, McAfee, a few down here. And then, of course, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency I believe in. I also believe in, by the way, Ethereum. I just don't currently invest in it. All right. There's my portfolio. All right. You asked for it. You got it. Okay. Argo Blockchain doing very well, up 10% today. Hey, look at this. Argo's doing very, very well. Space technology, indeed, indeed, indeed. Argo Blockchain doing very, very well. If you've got money in Argo Blockchain, you'll be very, very happy. Look at that. We've got 19 likes now on the show. Smash the like button. Help us grow. Help us get past 20. So, APOP, just share consolidation. From 6 to 24, my portfolio is singing. Oh, congratulations to you. I love that. Got any Neo shares? No, I haven't got any Neo shares, Luke. Luce is now recovering. Amazon is now still down. Johnson & Johnson now moving up. Tesla, that is still down, not doing very much. Facebook moving up slightly. Coca-Cola moving. Coke is now up 0.19. AT&T is up. We're getting some recoveries now. Disney's down. Disney doesn't like it. Argo, 7%. Hey, Argo investors, you're doing well this morning. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Who was it who said that a deal? Where was it? Where was it? Where is it? Where was it? Just got... Lel Leldavaza said, "Yeah, I'd like to hear some Eric Clapton." But right, what we have to do though, right? Because this is a trading channel. I do it from time to time, but I don't want to upset anybody. All right, because everyone's come here to trade. So basically, what happens, guys? If I get to the majority of you say, yeah, you want to hear something. Is there a bar in the studio? Gary G's here. There's a bar literally through that curtain. There's a curtain just to the right of me, just there, and there's a bar just there. Absolutely, yes. All right, okay. I'm going to cancel this order because that order didn't cancel. Free up that money. Argo Blockchain is teaching me a few things here. It's showing me resilience to Bitcoin. It's showing me resilience to China. I've got 50 shares placed. Yeah, so if I get 10 people, which have been the majority in hang on a minute. Let me refresh Argo Blockchain a second. If I get 10 people say yes, let us hear Eric Clapton. I can do the voice of Eric Clapton from my piano. It calms me down when I'm trading. Over here at the piano, just behind me. If I get 10 people say yes, I will give 30 seconds of Tears in Heaven at the piano. But I need 10 people to say yes, they want to hear it, because we are a trading channel, and I don't upset anybody. Okay, so we need the majority of people just to say yes, and then I will do you. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. It's how I've made my money, and it's what it's my daytime job, if you like, or my evening job as it is. If I get friends on TikTok are saying yes, but you have to say yes on YouTube, all right? Because click the profile link here, click the YouTube link, and come on into YouTube and say yes, and I'll do it for you. What's the volume now? 1.8. I've got my finger on the button, let's see, to buy 50 shares of Argo. Currently that's $899. You can see it right there. How much did you initially invest and what in? How much did you initially invest and what in? My first investment was Bitcoin, $100, and I lost $5, and I freaked and I hated it. I didn't understand what I was doing. That was my very first investment. Hated it. And then I stopped trading, started to learn, research, calm down, learn to not buy with fear, made sure that all the money, I had 6 months of bills paid in the future. I didn't have a mortgage, didn't have a car loan. I could now buy with education, and then I came back to it, and I set up the portfolio I've just shown you. All of those I pretty much did straight off the bat. That entire portfolio I did with just a dollar in each one, because with Robinhood you can fractional share. You can fractional share, I bought a little piece, like Tesla, like $1, just to get myself into all those markets and then watch and learn. And then as I watched and learned, as I'm watching and learning this one right now, it started to grow, and now we are where we are. But if anybody would like the full list of my portfolio again, I'm going to post it today on my Twitter account. So if anybody wants it, I'm going to post it, the full list with all the amounts and everything on my Twitter account. And if you want my Twitter account for the day trader, here it is in the live chat. I'm going to post it for you now. There it is. Your thoughts about cannabis stocks. I wouldn't invest in it because I don't understand it. I only invest in what I know. Someone on TikTok yesterday said, "You're an idiot. How do you not know about XRP?" I said, "Because I've not studied it." "But you call yourself an investor." I said, "I invest in Bitcoin. I've studied Bitcoin. I know everything about." I know, I don't know everything, but I know a lot about Bitcoin, enough to make me confident to leave all my money in it and not worry about it. Basically, this portfolio was set up to be, if I went to sleep for 6 months, would I be up 10%? Yes. If I manage it, up 100%. That's it. So it doesn't worry me anymore. But no, I don't invest in cannabis because I don't know anything about it. And all my money is used in great stocks that I already believe in. You can't invest in everything, right? As long as you're growing and you're not greedy, you just want to keep growing. Well, that's all I want to do. So I'm watching it. My portfolio now is starting to climb. There we go. We're up today. My portfolio is now up despite all of that. There we go. Despite, you see what I mean? Despite all these issues around Bitcoin this morning, my and it's like 18% of my portfolio is still up today. No, it's not. It's down today. Sorry, it's up in the last hour. Things are starting to recover. That's what I meant to say. I do apologise. Argo, let's watch it. Rolls-Royce doing great today, by the way. Ford doing very well. Virgin Galactic dropping. Walmart. This is the news that broke overnight about the Argo to the moon. Robert Jones, welcome. Argo to the moon. I don't know about that. I love how everyone uses that phrase. Sorry, my friend, you asked for Eric Clapton. For those who just joined me, I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man, and this is my TV studio where I go live every day and do live concerts. At the end of the day of trading, we do live concerts and people from all over the world joining with me. And today we're making a viral video with Zoom. People are calling in and being on the screens behind me. And that's where I go. And from time to time, I'll do a song in the show. I do different voices. And one chap says, "Could you do Eric Clapton?" But I say every day, as we need the majority to say yes, because we're a trading channel and I don't want to upset everyone. So there you go. We're not doing it unless we get 10 people to say yes, please. I want to hear the voice of Eric Clapton from my piano just behind me. Just 30 seconds if you want to hear it. Okay. Argo just dropping back. I got breaking news that I want to share, but I'm too busy watching this. If you've just joined us, give us a thumbs up. Help us grow on YouTube. We're a brand new channel. We're 8 weeks old. Alex is here. Good afternoon, Alex. Smash the like button. The family's all here now. We got a lot of our regular team now in the house. If you just come in, we've got a lot of new members today. It'd be absolutely wonderful if you all say where you're from, introduce yourselves. We like to have a chat full of people that are trading live, sharing where they're from, so we know who you are, and let us know what you're doing, what you're trading on. If there's something we should be looking at, that's what we do. I learn from you guys more than you learn from me. I hope. Where in the US do you live? I'm from Texas. Dallas. Good morning, Ramesh. Ramesh is here, one of our regulars to the team. Smash the like button, Ramesh. We're looking at a position at Argo right now because the news last night of China making crypto illegal, and we love it because all the whales just bought more Bitcoin this morning, and now it's rising. We love it. Bitcoin isn't going anywhere. China have sidelined themselves, and that's up to them. It's better for the rest of the world anyway. It's great. I love it. I'm waiting to invest in Argo Blockchain. I've got 50 shares waiting to be purchased. Remember, never trade with fear of missing out. I'm not sitting here, if it goes up again, oh look, you've made a mistake again. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Someone said to me yesterday, but Argo's on it's on a 25% discount. There's no such thing as a discount on a stock. No such thing. It's what the price is worth right now, what people are prepared to pay for it and trade it and sell it for right now. There's no such thing as a discount. How can you say a discount? The price is only the price that people are prepared to pay for it at any given moment. There are lots of stocks like Tesla, for example, which is going to be $3,000 a share in a couple of years. That's overpriced right now, though. It's not worth as much as the share price if you look at the market cap, but people love it, so it's overpriced. There are things that are underpriced, but it's all irrelevant. It's what it's worth right now. What is someone prepared to pay for it? Is China going to be shut down? Is China going to shut down crypto, or are they adding more? No, they're making it illegal. Illegal to mine, illegal to trade, illegal to own, the whole bloody works. And that is great because China can jog on and move on. The whole purpose of this is the world is free, and you can do what you want to do, and with respect, of course, to everybody else and decency. But China just want to control everything because they don't like that they can't control their money. And that's good for the rest of the world. What's your forecast for Argo by the end of the year? I don't honestly know, and I'll tell you why I am on the fence with Argo. If Argo was on Shark Tank tomorrow, if Argo was on Dragon's Den tomorrow in front of the sharks, would they invest in it? The first thing Mark Cuban would say, or Kevin O'Leary, or any one of those guys is, they would say, what do you do that no one else can do? And the answer is nothing. Anyone else could set up a mining farm like Argo. Anyone. If Mark Cuban, if Richard Branson or Elon Musk tomorrow says, I want to set up a mining farm, Elon Musk could set up the biggest mining farm in the world and beat everyone. Because remember, it's all about how much processing power you've got will earn the coin first. So anyone could beat Argo Blockchain. Number one, that's a fact. Number two, the volume is very low. Institutions aren't yet buying into Argo Blockchain because of that very fact. People that are buying into it right now are people who are excited about Bitcoin, and they think, "What a great thing! Oh, I can mine. I'm going to own a mining company." So it's a bit of a hype at the minute. People say it's on a discount. No such thing as a discount. It's worth what it's worth right now. Simple as that. It might shoot up in a minute to $100 a share. Who knows? Anything can happen. Look what happened to AMC. Anything can happen, right? And also, in time, is Bitcoin going to run out? Yes, it is. You can't mine it. You can't mine it forever. So your core business is gone. So is it still worth investing? Possibly, but it's all about what is the best use of your money. Is the best use of my money in Argo Blockchain or something else, right? So I'm watching all these things. Now, Lucid, on the other hand, is down 5%. I'm down 5% at the moment. Lucid is the best. It's got the 500-mile range on its electric car. It's beaten Tesla. Lucid is about to deliver its cars. This is an amazing, amazing, amazing company. Should I put my money into Lucid? Well, if Lucid drops any more, I will, and I won't have money to invest in Argo. Simple as that. There we go. My portfolio has now risen 0.5% in the last hour, and we're getting a recovery on the day. We were down at 1.8, we're now down at 1.4, so there we go. My portfolio is resilient to China. Doesn't care what China does. Couldn't care less. I'm not invested in Alibaba. I'm invested in Amazon. Right, Argo is trying to climb. It's trying to climb. Is blockchain here to stay? Yes, it is. Can't look chart. What do you mean? You can't see my charts because you're on TikTok. TikTok is where most people come in to laugh at my head and call me an idiot. And that's fine. We love it because 10% of you on TikTok come to YouTube because you want to trade and see what we're doing. So if you're one of that 10% on TikTok, click the profile here and you'll find my YouTube link. Come on in and you'll see what we're trading on. And you can talk to some traders here and learn from each other. How often do you stream, Robert? I stream every morning for the opening bell and the closing bell. And I also do the after show party in the evening on my main channel from my TV studio. I told you I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. And we have a few beers, we get drunk and we celebrate the day. And we have musicians and artists and fans all over the world tune in. So morning, afternoon, and then in the evening for the Martyn Lucas show. If you're interested in that, it's on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Where you are right now is a day trader. You scroll down. Here's the Martyn Lucas channel. I've got 4 channels. This is the main music channel. Click on that. And you see it says upcoming live streams. Every day, every weekday, we do parties and people phone in. There you go. Today, we're actually making a viral video where you can be on the video via a Zoom link. And people are singing behind me as I do Queen, We Are the Champions. There you go. Robert, love it. I love your icon, by the way. Is that you and your wife? Let me put that on the screen. Robert, could you put a bigger comment? So if you put a bigger comment, then your picture gets bigger. So do me like twice as much as that. And, oh, your girlfriend. All right. Lucid dropping a bit more. Martyn, if you are keeping an eye on it, I certainly am. I've got 14 screens here in the studio. I'm looking at all sorts of things while talking to you. Right. Lucid is down. Lucid is down now nearly 6% overall. Down 4% today. Lovely couple, Robert. There we go. There we go. There, that's his girlfriend. Lovely, yes, indeed. Good morning, chat. Hope everyone is in the green today. Robert, would you like something special for your girlfriend? A gift from me. I just thought of something I can do for Robert. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do something for Robert. Robert, I'm going to do something very special for Robert right now. If Robert has given me a thumbs up and subscribes and ring the bell, I'm going to do something for Robert. That would be amazing. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man, right? This is my TV studio. So what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to go to my piano in about a minute when I'm at the right moment for Argo Blockchain, because I'm keeping my eye on it. Robert Ferguson, thanks. There we go. I am going to... What's your favourite music, Robert? What is your girlfriend like? Does your girlfriend like... does she like John Legend? Does she like Elton John, Billy Joel? I don't know. What is she like? Amazon's moving up. Argo, watching it. I've not liked yet, so I'd like a gift too. Yeah, you've got to like the video. Queen. Oh, she likes Queen, does she? Well, we're doing the viral video tonight of Queen. We are the champions. And, okay. All right, she likes Queen. Okay, I'll do this for you, right? What I'm going to do in about 30 seconds from now is I'm going to move over to my piano and take a break from trading for like 30 seconds and do 30 seconds as Freddie Mercury and do Don't Stop Me Now live for you, for your girlfriend, live from my piano. All right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set a limit order, because if Argo drops to, let me have a look at it now. If Argo drops to, no, I'm not going to set a limit order. I want to be free on it. Robert saying thank you very much. That's incredibly exciting. You're excited. I'm very pleased. Right. Okay, so we're going to keep our eye on that. So I'm going to disappear for 1 minute. I'll be right back, everybody, and I'm going to be at my piano, and I'm going to keep your eye on. Forgot to ask, do you set stop losses? No, I don't. No, I don't at all, because you can get caught out with a stop loss because you get a dip, and suddenly your shares sell off. And I prefer to watch it and feel it and research it and understand it. And sometimes, like this morning, for example, look at Bitcoin. I could have sold Bitcoin this morning, set a stop loss, and then what happened? It recovered because no one cares that Bitcoin, that China are trying to influence the market. No one cares. So my Bitcoin could have sold and I would have missed this, right? So no, not at all. I like to control it myself, which is exactly what I am doing right now. So I'll be back in just 1 minute, guys. Don't you dare go away. Right, we're nearly set. So yeah, the reason why I don't set stop losses, because his losses is an opportunity to buy more, not to sell. I don't want to sell when it drops. I want to buy when it drops. Okay, so we're nearly done. All right. How are we doing? Okay. We're nearly in position now. There we are. We're over here at the other side of the studio, so we're just getting ready. We're going to do a little thing here for one of our guests today, live on the show. He says his girlfriend loves Queen. So we're getting ready. We're still watching Argo. You're not going to miss anything. Don't worry about that, because I want to make some money, right? I'm not going to miss anything. So let me have a look. Okay. Right. I think we're in position now. Everything is looking good. There you go. So, just about ready to go. All right, so all our friends on YouTube, on TikTok, if you want to see what we're about to do now for our friend Robert, you need to come over to YouTube, because you'll hear it, but you won't see anything. You'll be watching nothing at all. So if you're on YouTube now, are you on YouTube? Yeah, click this profile link just here, and the YouTube link is right behind it. 90% of my TikTokers just want to come on and laugh and talk silly and tell me I've got a bald head, and that's fine. We find it quite entertaining. But the other 10% want to come in. But 10% want to come in and trade and be part of the show and make money. And we're watching Argo Blockchain right now. As you can see, it's got some resistance there, and I'm waiting to pick up a bargain. It may happen, it may not. Great points, thank you. You're welcome, James. Right, Robert, are you ready? I want to, what I want to do, it's going to be very quick, all right, because we've got to get back to the trading. I want everybody, this is where we are now, look at the studio, it's now turned into a rock concert, okay, we're trading, making money, so only give me a few seconds. So during this 30 seconds, I need everyone to click the like button, and we love Freddie in the chat, all right? We love Freddie. If you want blockchain today to make lots of money and Bitcoin to make lots of money, you got to write and copy and paste as many times as you can. We love Freddie, all right? And then you'll get 30 seconds, maybe a little bit less actually, of Freddie Mercury. I've got to watch my blockchain, all right, you ready? Okay. Right, everyone's liked the video. Everybody on TikTok, you're over on YouTube, click the link here and click the YouTube link right behind the profile. You've got literally about 10 seconds before I jump into the studio. All right, okay, here we go. This is especially for Robert and we love Freddie. There we go, Sky's involved. All right, you got to copy and paste. All right, everyone's got to do it at least 10 times. Magic Fanatics, this is especially a little bit of a YouTube moment here. This is for Robert and his lovely lady, his girlfriend. And when they get married, I'll do Here Comes a Bride. I'll play from my studio for their wedding. All right, you ready? Okay, let's go and do it. 30 seconds, starting now. Tonight, I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world is turning inside out, yeah. I'm floating around in ecstasy. That's it, guys. We're going to get back to the trading. That's what you're here for. All right, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. There was that 30 seconds there. I hope everyone enjoyed that. That's my daytime job. Right, now we're back to making some money on Argo Blockchain. There we go. Hope everyone enjoyed that. Got me that Friday feeling. Fantastic. So there you go. Wow, that was seriously impressive. I hope you liked the studio. It's a fun place to be. It's where we're live every evening for the main show. We come here, make the money, and then we trade later on. Then we have a party and a few beers. So there you go. Now they can come back for the music show. Right. So this is what we're going to do for you. Right. We're watching Argo Blockchain, but this is what you need to know. Right. You're on the day trader right now. This is where everybody is. If they've come over from TikTok, I know some of you have. Right. This is where we are, the day trader. Scroll down, you see the Martyn Lucas channel right here, okay? You click on it, okay? And then you get the upcoming live stream. Every day, I go live every weekday. See it there? Look, there's the show today. Now today, it's a bit of history. We're doing a live Zoom link where you can be in on the show. Okay, we have 9 tickets left. It's free. It's 9 Zoom links left. If you want to be on the screens behind me, hey Robert, you'd love this with your girlfriend, right? Make a bit of history for yourself, and then you could post it onto TikTok, post it on YouTube. You can have it. I give it to everybody, right? What we're going to do at the end of my in my show tonight, it'll be 10 o'clock in the evening for you over in the UK. Is we're going to do at the end of the show, We Are the Champions, and everyone with the Zoom link is going to be singing behind me on the big screen. Okay, and we're going to record it, edit it, and send it to all of you. You will have your own video that you'll be on the screen singing with me as We Are the Champions. To get your Zoom link, there are only a few left, is you go below any one of my videos on the Martyn Lucas channel, or here, I reply to them all and say, I would like a Zoom link. You can say something else as well, but just put the word Zoom link in there. I will then send you the last few tickets to the Zoom link tonight. It opens at 3:30 my time, which is 9:30 your time. The Zoom room opens 30 minutes before the show starts. And you can come in. You need 2 devices, one for YouTube to watch it and one to be on the Zoom call. And we'll record it, edit the video, post it, and everybody that registers for the Zoom call will have their name in the show, in the description, and it'll be your video. I'll post it on YouTube, And then you've got a viral video of you singing with me, "We Are the Champions." All right, let's get back to business. Looking at my portfolio right now. Came for the trade, staying for the singing. We can't sing anymore now, though. We've only got 10 minutes left of the show. We'll be live in 10 minutes. Yeah, if you want the Zoom link, Bill, go to one of my videos and comment. Not in the live chat. Comment below a video. That way I can give you the instructions and send you the Zoom link, okay? Because we have to control how many get it. Because we can only give 100 people a Zoom link. We can't just post it on here. Stay on trading for longer. Yesterday I traded for 5 hours, but today I have to go to water aerobics. I've got to exercise. I can't just sit here all the time. Right, look at Lucid now. Down 3%. Do I want to improve my position? I'm down 5%. If I added $2,000, I'd be down 2.5%. So that's not worth doing. That would be too big an investment. So I'm not going to do that. So Lucid, no, I'm not going to buy Lucid until it drops like 20%. Argo Blockchain, I'm seeing this dip. I'm nearly at a point to buy in. Liam Sankey, how are you doing, mate? Hey, Liam's here. You just missed a magical moment. We did something specially for Robert's girlfriend. Live on the show. We did something for Robert's girlfriend just a few minutes ago. I'll show it you. I'll share it with you. Show it you. That's what I meant to say, right? Live on the show. We did something for Robert. This just happened about 2 minutes ago. There we go. I did this for him. And the world is turning inside out. There we go. Did that there especially for Robert. And I just noticed, I apologise for the sound quality. It's not as good as it should have been because I had my other microphone turned on. Apologise for that. It sounds a lot better when you hear the main show. I apologise. I just realised my other microphone was left on, and that always spoils it. Never mind. Frisco S. Great voice, Freddie. Brilliant. Argo Blockchain, there we go. It's obviously showing resilience now to... See, what you do, you learn from it. Never, ever, 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 ever. Thank you very much, mate. Yeah, see, now all the haze has gone. I've turned the haze off, so I've stopped the haze now. If anybody, I often get asked, actually, people say, what's in your studio? I'd like to get that microphone. I'd like to get that light. Here is my Amazon link. If anyone uses this link here, you can see all the stuff in my studio. And if you like the way I stream, this is the program I use. If you get this, you get a discount with my referral code, and I get a small commission as well. It doesn't cost you anything. In fact, you get a discount. There you go. That's what I use. People often ask me that. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, here is my Twitter in the live chat as well. All this information is below all the videos as well, just so you know. All right, we've got 8 minutes and maybe 10. And then I'm going to have to go. If you've just joined us, smash the like button. Smash the like button, folks. Help us out. We're a brand new channel. We're only 8 weeks old today. 8 weeks old today. 2 months old today. And we've gone from 0 to just under 1,500 subscribers in 8 weeks. I'm pretty proud of that. You got a great singing voice. Thank you very much, mate. It's funny you say that. I've got because I do 14 different vocal impressions. I can sing like Frank Sinatra, Michael Jackson, Pavarotti, Andre Bocelli, Michael Jackson, Paul McCartney, Elton John, Bryan Adams, Louis Armstrong. So sorry I'm busy this morning. I just dropped by to say hi all. Muzanella, one of our super fans, a moderator to the channel. Yesterday he brought an army of people in with him, and we had our best ever day yesterday. We had 53 likes, I think it was, in the end, and we traded for 5 hours. The show was 5 hours long. It's not going to be 5 hours today. Just wanted to say thank you, Muzanella. You missed this morning. I did Freddie Mercury. Yeah, I'm floating around in ecstasy. We had a chap came in. Do you have any Dogecoin? No, Robert. I don't believe in Dogecoin at all. I only believe in Ethereum and Bitcoin. The whole fact of the matter is we only need one, really. And Ethereum and Bitcoin is all I need. It's the most stable, most secure of cryptocurrency. The purpose of a cryptocurrency is it can replace everything and be multiplanetary for the whole universe. Why do you need everything else? As far as I'm concerned, Dogecoin, Dinky Donk, Binky Bonk, Diddly Squat is all made up for a get-rich-quick scheme, and it does make people rich. When people, remember, everyone who got rich, there are the other half who lost all their money as well. So at the end of the day, I don't invest in anything else other than Bitcoin. Ethereum is great, but I just have all my money in Bitcoin, and it underpins this portfolio. And as you can see, even in a day like today, with a correction and China and so on and so forth, I'm only down 1.34%. And in fact, we've been recovering in the last hour. So this is a very secure, stable portfolio, and Bitcoin underpins it. There's my Bitcoin position. I've share it with everyone. There it is. It's currently 16.66% of my portfolio. What more do I need to say? So no, I wouldn't invest in Dogecoin. Muzanair, 10% down. Yeah, it's a tough day, right? It's a great day. Actually, I don't know why I say it's a tough day at all. I'm always bullish, always optimistic, always, because I'm always bullish because the things I invest in, I believe in, and I can leave them there long term. I only day trade or swing trade if I feel it's a good thing to do to grow my portfolio. But I'm happy to invest in all of these things and leave them. Like I've always said, is my portfolio built for the fact I could sleep for 6 months and still go up 10%? Yes, it is. But if I sit here and trade with you, that's not why I'm trading with you, by the way, just to make money. I enjoy the family and the camaraderie. There we go, guys. There's the dip. I'm nearly about to buy in. There's the dip I've been talking about. I only invest in what I believe in long term anyway. If in between the long term I feel that I could move my money somewhere else, like if I made money on Argo today and I moved it into Lucid or Tesla, then I would. So it's about being fluid and open to whatever's going on. I don't sell if I'm down, even if I take... Absolutely, I never lose money. I'm going to clarify that though. I never lose money. I did twice. When I first came in a few weeks ago, got really emotional, got silly, we got a bit carried away, I made a mistake, I involved in GSAT, and I allowed the excitement of everyone. We had a viral video, everyone's chatting, and I got carried away, and I made some bad decisions. Now, it's why I bring my music into it. I keep calm, I don't lose money, and as Muzanella said, if you invested in the first place with a company you believe in, why would you sell when it's down? Because you believe in it. Have the fundamentals changed? If the fundamentals have changed, suddenly someone at the blooming company is doing something illegal or messing it all up, breaking everything, then fine. But if the fundamentals are the same, but the markets are down, I just buy more and improve my position. Go back in time. Wouldn't you like to go back to when Amazon first came out, or Tesla came out, or Apple came out? Well, of course you would. But you can't. But you can when stuff like this happens today, when China talk nonsense. and try to control the market. China are trying to control what everyone's money does. Well, good for them. I'm from England, and no one's going to control me. Google. Let's have a look. Yeah, totally. I've got an investment in Google. Not enough though. Google. Here's my Google. Yeah, exactly. Here's Google. I think I've sold all my position. Yeah, I've got only a little bit. It's up today, 0.37. Love Google, of course. I like to think of myself as Google, because Google provide a service for you for free. Doesn't cost anyone to use Google, right? It's free to use it. But they are a $1 trillion company, or whatever they are, billion, I don't know. Very rich, okay? And I'm like Google. I cost you nothing to use this show. I provide you music, entertainment, with friendship. We support each other. That's what we're doing here. 90% of the idiots on TikTok want to laugh at me and call me Baldy. Great. But 10% come onto YouTube. They click the profile. I'm talking to you guys on TikTok, right? Are you the 10% that actually want to make money and be part of our family? Click the YouTube link behind the profile link here, and you can be here. And that's right. I provide a free service. I get nothing for doing it. And that's fine. We all learn from each other. I learn from you. One of my aunties are from Wales. Ah, nice one. I'm from Cornwall. I'm a Celt. So your auntie would know all about Cornwall. But I'm based here in Texas. Exactly. Only buy companies you believe in. Martyn is 100% right. And that's coming from a trader who knows what he's talking about. Thank you. I'm a nobody, right? I'm a somebody in the music business. Elton John, I've done lots of stuff, right? I'm a somebody in the music business, but I'm a nobody in the trading business, right? Musanella's probably he's much bigger trader than I am, and many of you here are. I'm just an entertainer on the internet who sings you songs and invests his life savings. That's it. But I'll always tell you the truth. I won't lie or manipulate anything. Unlike the big YouTubers with millions of subscribers who say, let's all buy Tesla today. And everyone goes, God, this guy knows what he's talking about. They all buy Tesla as I sell my Tesla as it pops. I'm never going to be that guy. Pumarant LLP is investing claims on behalf of investors of Cassava Sciences. Let me post that there. That's a top tip from a trader. If anyone's interested, there he is, Mr. Cool Dude with his glasses. Old news, but very recent. There you go. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take anyone's advice. Just, that's a good idea. Let me look into it. Look into it, research it. Do your own research. Don't copy me. Don't follow me. What do I know? I just believe I believe in certain things, and I follow certain things. And there you go. All right. We have got about 2 minutes before I end. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at this. 17. Yeah. I'm not going to put a limit on buying here with Argo Blockchain, even though it's dropping. I tell you what I'll do. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do a limit order. I'll put a limit price of $14. Get greedy. You got to be greedy. There's no point leaving it on the table. $14. I will buy 50 shares. And you're all going, oh, you'll be lucky. All right, 14. I'll buy 50 shares at $14, which means it's got to go to about $13.80 for that to execute. All right, review order. Review order. There it is. Buy. So when I'm away swimming, doing water aerobics, should one almighty crash happen, I'll pick up the shares. If not, it doesn't matter. All right, so I've literally got about 2 minutes to go. Bitcoin's recovering. Argo's in the dip. Rolls-Royce is up today, one of my stocks there. Ford is up, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Virgin is now recovering. We've got the big test flight around the corner. Fantastic. There we go. All right, Guys, I've got to go. Got to do some exercise. I hate to leave you, but I will be back later for the drive home show. If you've subscribed to this channel, and I hope you have, and rung the bell, you'll be notified if I pop on and do breaking news. That's why you turn the notifications on and ring the bell and set it to all. Because if I come on in the middle of the afternoon and go, guys, this has just happened, you might want to know about it, then that's why you do that. But later on this afternoon, I will be live for the closing bell. Have a good one, mate, Liam. Peace out. Have a lovely day all. Love to you all. Thanks for being here. Really appreciate your time and company. It's a great way to start the day. And then at the end of the day, join me for the day trade, for the drive home show, when we have a few beers and we do that viral video. There's a few keys left. If you want to be in on the Zoom link, go below any of my videos and say, I would like the Zoom link. I want to be in that video this afternoon with We Are the Champions on the screen behind you, making a viral video. Go into any video, comment below, and I'll send you the Zoom link. There's only a handful of Zoom links left. So we're doing 100 people. All right. Okay. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves, and see you back in a bit. Be safe. Look at blockchain dropping. Don't fear of missing out. Keep calm, keep cool, enjoy the day. Hug someone, tell someone you love them, and everything will be all right. See you back in a bit. Bye-bye for now.